Dear student, good morning to all of you. I am LV Singh. I am going to teach you civics of standard 8. Today we will discuss regarding the Constitution of India. Do you know this thing? Constitution is very important for rules and regulation to govern any country. If there will be no any rule and regulation, country as well as state as well as district will not govern nicely. To run any government smoothly, constitution is needed. Constitution guides us regarding rules, regulation towards the state and the country. Suppose that, do you know this thing? This is the time of COVID-19. Rules are made by the government according to constitution for the good work of the people. You have seen in the newspaper children and above the age of 60, they are not allowed to come out from the residence for the security of their life. This is called the rules. If we will not follow the rules, country will not govern. That's why the constitution provides us rule to run smoothly the government. Now we will discuss about the law in our country made by the Constitution of India. First, Dwari Act. The Dwari Act of 1961. Do you know this thing about the Dwari? Dwari is a gift which was given by the daughters to their husband at the time of marriage. This system is coming from the medieval age, but these days this is the tendency of the people to get lot of dowry from the father of daughter side. So it creates lot of problem in our society. Do you know this thing? Lot of girls are killed in the stomach of mother due to the dowry system because it is uncomfortable for all the parents. That's why the government of India made Dwari Act of 1961. So it prohibits the people to take the dowry from the daughter's side. It will be willingly given by the parents. So Dwari Act clears our society for comfortable life. So it is the duty of the government and constitution provide the rules and regulation, which is the example of Dwari Act 1961. The second one, do you know this thing? Sati system. Sati system in our society. It is a great evil for our society. Just now I am going to give you one example. Deoli village in Rajasthan in 1987 or Roopur, she was a married girl. When her husband died, she sat on the pyre of her husband and in front of a lot of the people, she died. So it is the cruel human act. It is not good for any society these days. For the provision of sati system in our society, our social reformer social reformers of our society. Number first, Raja Ram Mohan Rai. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. And second one, Swami Vivekananda, Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Swami Dayanand Saraswati. They had tried to abolish the sati system in our society. In 1993, the government of India made this act against the sati system. No one is allowed to become the sati in our society. This was the contribution of Raja Ram Mohan Rai and Swami Dayanand Saraswati, who started abolition of this act. So it is the current example of Rup Kaur of Rajasthan, who she died on the pyre चिता. पैर means चिता, अपने पति के चिता पर बैठकर वो जल गई, जो मानवता के लिए कलंक माना गया. इसको इंडिया गवर्नमेंट ने इस एक्ट को पास करके सती सिस्टम को एबोलिश कर दिया सोसाइटी से. सेकंड, now the third rules, just now I am going to give you, that was anti-liquor, LIQUR act. This is the act made by our government. Do you know this thing? Lot of the people of our society these days, our previous years, previous time, they are using liquor. They are earning less, but most of the earning part is spent on the liquor because they are getting enjoyment drinking wine, which is very bad for our society. That's why the government made Anti-Liquor Act. One story I am going to give you according to your book. There is a village Pathar in UP district Saharanpur. The government opened, or one person opened a wine shop, and the people of that particular village became the habituate of the taking liquor, and there was the bad condition of their living standard. Children and their wives were not taking sufficient money to run their life. That's why all the women of that particular village started a dharna against the liquor system, against the liquor opened by a person in the village. They sat in front of the wine shop to close it. They requested to close the shop, but their effort were going to in vain. बेकार जा रहा था, प्रशासन नहीं सुन रही थी उनकी बातों को. सारी women, that means all the women of that village, went to Saharanpur district headquarters in front of the district magistrate. They started dharnas at that place against the liquor act, which was opened by a shopkeeper, a shop in that village. From so many days, they had started dharnas, and lastly the government agreed with their demand and ordered to close the shop. दुकान को बंद कर देने से पाथर गांव की महिलाएं बहुत खुश हुई. गवर्नमेंट ने एंटी लिक्वर एक्ट पास किया और इस तरह लोगों का जीवन अच्छा हो गया. All these things, all the rules and regulation laws are made by the government of India according to our constitution. So it is the constitution works which made lot of rules, laws for our society, which will be good for the country as well as the state, as for the district, as well as for the village blocks. सभी लोग इससे खुश हुए और लॉ से फायदा हुआ। लेकिन ये भी आपको जानना जरूरी है, इट इज एसेंशियल फॉर यू टू नो अबाउट द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन। व्हाट इज कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन? बट फर्स्ट we have to discuss about the constitution. Constitution is a set of rules and regulation which enables the government to run state, country smoothly. It is the set of law which is called the constitution. So you have to write down what is constitution. Regarding this question, we will discuss next thing. Next thing is that why we need a constitution. Do you know this thing? In 1947, your country became free from the rules of Britishers. And your country hadn't the constitution to run the government. Country was governed by the rules and regulation of Britishers. So prominent leader of our country, do you know this thing? Prominent leader? Rajendra Prasad, Bhimrao Ambedkar, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, Subhash Chandra Bose, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, lot of prominent leader of our country sat together and they started discussion regarding to make the constitution. Those days, first of all, in December 1946, a resolution was passed to make the constitution of country. That time there were 300 total member were 389. This resolution passed in 1946. Those days India and Pakistan were together. There was no separation regarding Pakistan and India. That's why total number of members were 389. But you know, on 15th August 1947, your country became free and partition became Pakistan and India. That's why 389 members reduced and they became 308. 308% बच गए पाकिस्तान और इंडिया के डिवाइडेशन पे, क्योंकि कुछ मेंबर पाकिस्तान में चले गए और 308 इंडिया में आ गए। तो इस तरह कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बनाने का काम शुरू किया गया। Now we will discuss. Now I am going to rub your board. So you know this thing, to make the constitution, first of all, prominent leader made constituent assembly. Constituent assembly. Now the president of constituent assembly became the Dr. Rajendra Prasad. That means after independence of your country, Dr. Rajendra Prasad became the first president of India. Do you know this thing? The second one, drafting committee. DRAF. Committee. Do you know this thing? The head person of drafting committee was Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Like this, lot of prominent leader of our country started studying the constitution of different country, and the things which was better for our country, that we are noted on a paper to make our constitution. Now, do you know this thing? There are two type of constitution. First, one is that written constitution and other is unwritten constitution. You have to write down first written constitution, WRITTEN, constitution. Second one, that was unwritten constitution, unwritten constitution. Written constitution is example, that means India. You know this thing, India is the largest written constitution in the world. No any country's constitution is compared with Indian constitution, because it is the largest constitution in the world. The second, and this constitution runs according written rules and regulation. Any strongest leader of our country cannot run the government according to their will, because they have to follow the rules and regulation of our constitution. According to that, they have to run the government. So it is the rules and regulation of Constitution of India, which is written constitution, through which any leader, whether they are PM, CM, DM or any other person, they have to follow the written constitution of India. The second one is unwritten constitution. Unwritten constitution is example of Britain. Do you know this thing, Britain? Britain is the country under which India was ruled for long time. लंबे समय तक इंडिया ब्रिटेन के अंदर में रहा और उसकी गुलामी के अंदर काम करते रहा. उस देश का कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन अनरिटेन है, जिसको यूके भी बोलते हैं. दिस कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन रन्स अकॉर्डिंग टू ट्रेडिशन सिस्टम ऑफ ब्रिटेन. This constitution is not suitable for India. That's why all the prominent leaders studied the different countries' constitution, such as, have you heard the name of South Africa, Denmark, Britain, Germany, America? All these countries' constitution is studied by different prominent leader of our country, and all the good things were compiled in one book, and that becomes the rules and regulation which were known as constitution. And these days from very long time after independence, our country follows rules and regulations made by the prominent leader in the constitution. One thing, do you know this thing? Time taken by leaders to make constitution. Constitution of India. Do you know this thing? 2 years. So note, 2 years, 11 months and 18 days. This constitution prepared by your leaders near about 3 years. It becomes ready. But the problem came in front of our leader when it should be implemented. That means constituent, member of constituent assembly decided that the constitution of India will be implemented on 26th January 1950. That means from 26th January 1950, our country became republic. Really, our country became a free country when our constitution enforced. Before that, there was no any rule and regulation made by us. That was the rules made by the Britishers. So really, we became free on 26th January 1950 because this day our constitution came into force. And from that time, our country started running according to laws made by our constitution. One thing I forgot you to tell, the laws made by Britishers. Have you heard the name of short law? Gandhiji, in the beginning I had taught you 3 laws. One is dowry system, one is sati pratha, one is liquor act, one will be that means it will be the 4th one. Broken law of short by M.K. Gandhi or Gandhiji. Do you know this thing? Gandhiji wanted that there should be no any monopoly of Britishers to make the short. There was monopoly of the government. So Gandhiji started his yatras. उन्होंने अपना यात्रा साबरमती आश्रम, आप जानते हैं वो गुजरात में है, वहां से उन्होंने अपने 78 पर्सन्स के साथ उन्होंने ये यात्रा किया दांडी जाने के लिए, जहां समुद्र के किनारे नमक बनता था, जिस पर अंग्रेजों का एक आधिपत्य था। 300 ये मेंबर 74 थे, नॉट 74%। और गांधी जी ने इतने लोगों के साथ यात्रा प्रारंभ किया और 380 किलोमीटर पैदल यात्रा करते हुए वे 25 दिन के बाद 25th days, आफ्टर 25th days, 25 दिन की यात्रा के बाद गांधी जी दांडी पहुंचे और वहां उन्होंने नमक अपने हाथों से बनाकर और अंग्रेजों के मोनोपोली, दैट मीन्स एकाधिकार नियम को तोड़ दिया और इस तरह देश के ऊपर जो नमक कानून थोपा गया था अंग्रेजों के द्वारा, वो समाप्त हो गया। अब लोग वहां स्वतंत्र हो गए और अपने प्रयास से लोग नमक बनाने लगे। इस तरह दिस वे गांधी जी, डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद, भीमराव अंबेडकर and so many other leaders contribution regarding making of constitution came in our life. Now we will discuss forward thing regarding the constitution in the next class. Thank you. Good day, students. Try to read this chapter number 1, Constitution of India. In the next class we will clear this lesson and I will give you question of standard 8 student in PDF file regarding the first lesson of civics. Thank you. Happy nice day.